start the video. So what are you doing,
I'm
Giorgio?
doing peanut butter and jelly late at night at 8:32.
All right, is that normal
Yeah.
to eat 8:32 peanut butter and jelly for an American, a real American?
Yeah, and my dad doesn't like peanut butter because he thinks it's disgusting when he eats peanuts.
So did you spread the jelly on your shirt too?
No,
It looks the same.
I'm using blueberry jelly.
Blueberry jelly and blueberry jelly t-shirt.
Oh my, it's not a
So,
blueberry.
And then
jelly.
this is peanut. There is
Butter.
butter in the peanut. What
It's
is?
creamy.
So how do you make this American specialty?
So you gotta put.
That must be a very hard recipe. No.
Oh, you gotta put jelly here, and then you gotta put peanut butter here, and then you put it together.
That's all?
Yeah.
And it's good for you?
Yeah.
It's good for me too?
Yeah, but you don't like it.
I don't think it's good for me. All right. Okay. So that's the first step.
Can we put peanut butter on
That must be very complicated. How many servings is that? That's good for like 6 months for me. So I don't want any. Sorry.
You want one just jelly?
No, sorry. I want some spaghetti pomodoro.
Oh.
I'm now American 100%. I like 50-50. But this, I don't know if I can. If they gotta give me a citizenship test eating peanut butter and jelly,
You're never gonna do it.
I don't think I'm gonna pass it. I don't think I'm gonna pass this test. Okay, so we got this.
And then now.
And next, I know I stir here because it says that the oil, it says just stir, enjoy, separation is normal. It's normal for them. It's not really normal for me, but that was my job.
Why?
Because you have to remove it.
That was my job. So, and you
Here,
put
look.
this
Here.
on top of here. So that's what you do. Oh my gosh, cannot believe.
You gotta put on there.
Isn't it easier to make like a pork loin roast with mashed potatoes?
Why?
Yeah.
Because it's a lot of.
That's gonna be for you, that one.
Okay.
So,
Now,
and now,
I'm gonna just add a little peanut butter. I'm not a big peanut butter fan. I'm a peanut butter fan.
by the way, I don't promote this kind of eating.
Hey.
Hey, yeah, that's now part of the Meals for Longevity diet. Have you seen a peanut butter jelly on the meal plan? I don't think so. I would never even give a peanut butter jelly to
They even have it at my school.
to my dog.
Dogs like peanut butter.
They do? I would
Yeah.
never even give it to my dog, honestly.
I
would rather give him spaghetti like in Disney cartoon, you know.
Ah.
You remember the Disney cartoon with the spaghetti and the meatballs, Giorgio? Huh?
No.
Yeah, I don't
Okay,
know
so
what
what's
was the
that?
name. What was the name of the
That they kiss then.
the
eat
keys and there
spaghetti.
is spaghetti meatball? Why didn't they do it with peanut butter and jelly? I don't.
Maybe it's too messy.
I just don't think
Papa, look, I put
even
it
a
together.
dog will like that. What?
I put it together.
That's the final recipe?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You
That's
can
it?
smell it. Yeah.
Dinner is ready?
It's not our dinner. It's kind of
So I wasted 30 years of my life to come out with all this healthy recipe and come out with 250 recipe for people to eat healthy, and you're telling me dinner is ready?
You just said that.
Oh my gosh. What is
You're
that?
getting old.
Sorry. I don't. I think I'm just gonna go to heaven without the
Smell it.
No, 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 no. I think I'm gonna make it to heaven without even try this. I don't think I can do that. I hope in heaven that I have peanut butter and
Okay,
jelly
I'm gonna
sandwiches.
try it.
All right.
How is it?
Is it? Is it good, Mama? Yeah. That's it. I'm finished to cook. No more cooking for
You
me.
try one.
No, for
Yeah,
dinner
yeah.
I know what you're gonna
But
what I'm
I'm
gonna
giving
eat.
you one. I'm giving you one.
No.
Yeah, you
I
ordered
just
one.
I don't think with this bread.
For me,
it tastes good.
minestrone soup, and for you guys, peanut butter and jelly. I don't know if you're gonna make it to the age of 100, but you know. Mama, what do you think?
I think for this needs to be different bread.
Yeah, I gave you a rosemary bread that is fresh baked. That maybe doesn't match with your specialty, but that's the only thing I have: peanut butter and jelly on a rosemary artisan bread. All right, ciao.
I'm gonna make one for you.
All right, I don't think so. Ciao.